Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to scrape comments from a Facebook post. To scrape comments, the first step is to check how many comments the post has. Then, I copy this link and go to a website to convert the link into a UID. I paste the link here and convert it to a UID. Next, I open a tool called UID and add a Facebook account here. If I want to scrape comments, I go to Post Scanning function. Here, choose Scan Post Comment and paste the post ID. Then select the account and set the delay time from 3 to 10 seconds. This is the number of comments I want to scrape. I'm going to scrape about 12,000 comments. After setting everything up, I press Start. The bot will automatically log into the account, open the post, and scan all the comments. This tool scans in detail, so it may take a little longer. Just follow what's happening on the screen. After the scan is complete, I'll export the file for you to see at the end of the video. Okay, I'll speed up and cut this part because there are too many comments. See you in the next videos.